Hi and welcome back. Okay, let's learn how to solve by completing the square. So the question I've got for you is x squared take 4x minus 12. I want you to solve this so it equals to 0 by completing the square. So let's do this together. So in order to complete the square, what we should do, let's just make some room. If you've got not a number in front of your x squared, so if there's just a 1 here, it's nice and easy. You just put brackets, you put the squared outside. Instead of x squared, you write x here, and instead of this value, you half that value. So half of -4 is -2. And then all you need to do is work out what -2 squared is. So -2 times -2 is +4, and you subtract that away. And then you just bring that down as well. So you get -12. And remember, this equals to 0. Okay, we're nearly there. This simplifies to just x minus 2 squared. -4 take 12 is -16. And this equals to 0. Now we could solve this. So what we're going to do is bring this -16 to this side. So it becomes positive. So you got x minus 2 squared equals to 16. Then you're going to square root both sides. And that will just leave me with x minus 2 on the left hand side and square root of 16 on the right. Always remember, whenever you square root an answer, you always get two solutions, the positive and the negative. And square root of 16 is 4. So we could say x minus 2 equals plus or minus 4. And let's just write that out separately. So that's our first solution. And our second solution was +4. And if we rearrange this, we get x equals -4 plus 2, which is -2. So that's solution 1. And if you rearrange that, that becomes x equals 4 plus 2, which is 6. They are my two solutions. So that's how you solve by completing the square. Hopefully you found that quite useful and you learnt a bit. Thank you for watching. I'll create another video which is slightly harder in the next one where there's going to be a term in front of our x squared value. So make sure to check that out if you found this useful. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.